Right. Can we have some more light on the audience, please? Because that's what they're going to be experiencing now. Imagine somebody telling you something like, Anabhyase Visham Shastram. Might be a little difficult for you to understand, and that's when our next speaker steps in. Yes, I am talking about Dr. Radhakrishna Pillai, a leadership speaker, best-selling author, trainer, and personal mentor. He is rated as India's #1 best-selling business author with 17 best-selling books on Chanakya, starting with the all-time record-breaking sales of Corporate Chanakya to children's series named Chatur Chanakya, and he has readers from all age groups from across the globe. He's the founder and director of Chanakya International Institute of Leadership Studies at the University of Mumbai. The institute is created with offering the world's first postgraduate academic program in leadership, masters in leadership sciences. The research and outcome of helping students and leaders across the globe. He also teaches in various universities and educational institutions as a visiting faculty, and he has delivered over 1,000 lectures so far. So without much ado, please put your hands together to the modern day avatar of maybe Chanakya himself. You know I'm talking about Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai.
Thank you, Dr. Harshal. Thank you, all my friends at Kredai Youth. It's an honor to be here. You know, सबसे पहली बात, next 40 minutes में, whatever I tell, don't believe me. You know, you have to verify the facts before you accept anything. So let me start with a small game before we get into Chanakya. How many of you, I know it by the way, you know, your market research मैंने भी किया है. Because they have been briefing me, who is the kind of a crowd, कहाँ से आए हैं, what is your family background, second generation, youth, etc., etc. But as we said, you know, verify the facts before you start the work. So let me ask you, how many of you are second generation businessmen over here and businesswomen? Third? थोड़े हैं. Fourth? Fifth? Number खत्म. How many of you heard about a business that can survive for 7 generations? बहुत सारे. And I'll tell you, there are so many industries I work with. It is very easy. It's not difficult. And I'll tell you the formula, because I think most of us come from second generation. It's an important legacy to be followed. For that, let's do some fact check. Okay? सबके पास मोबाइल है? वही कर रहे हैं ना सब बैठ के. And I always believe that mobile is an asset for information gathering, but don't believe the mobile. Huh? Because you never know what Google wants you to know. So I want all of you to use the Google for information gathering, and therefore my teacher is to always tell me, you know, Google search is not research, but it is starting point of research. चलो, तो थोड़ा धंधे की बात करते हैं. I want all of you to Google, and I am going to tell you what to Google. ChatGPT बाद में देखते हैं. Which is the world's oldest surviving family-run company? Which is the world's oldest surviving company? Google it. मेरे पे भरोसा मत करना. थोड़ा Google पे थोड़ा देर भरोसा करो. Which is the world's oldest surviving company? तो Google पे थोड़ा भरोसा कर लो. Which company is this? Okay. Can you tell which company is this and which country? Japanese. So any difference in Google, which is the oldest surviving company? Congo? And now here is the secret. How many years? 1,400 years. Exact 1,443 years. And you know how many generations? 73 generations. वहाँ पे खत्म नहीं होता है, अभी तो शुरुआत है. Family run business working on Chanakya's principles. Japanese company. Now I have a lot of friends from Ahmedabad, right? Ahmedabadis? I love all of them. Now here is the secret. How did I come to know about this company? Because I do a lot of research, like Dr. Harshal keeps doing, you know. किताबें लिखते रहता हूँ. But you know, I started realizing one thing. Sometimes Indians don't know their own treasures, knowledge treasure, but outsiders know. And you'll be surprised in Ahmedabad, if you go, we have IIM Ahmedabad, Vikram Sarabhai, IIM Ahmedabad. But uske sister concern is AMA, Ahmedabad Management Association. And Ahmedabad Management Association has an interesting tie-up with Japanese government. I don't know how many of you are aware of it, they have a tie-up. So, मैं वहाँ पे था, so I keep delivering some lectures there. And I met a Japanese from this company. So he told me, you will be surprised that, we follow Indian principles in Japan. And surprisingly, we follow Chanakya Niti. I said, Chanakya Niti, Japan. Indians को पता नहीं है, उधर पता है. Now, let me ask you one question since we are talking about this information. What is the field this company is into? वो बहुत interesting है. Interestingly, it's our field. Construction, real estate. आप सोच सकते हो, दुनिया की सबसे पुरानी कंपनी, 1400 साल पुरानी कंपनी, is our field. थोड़ा अभी नीचे आते हैं, reality check. अभी I had fantastic speakers who spoke on branding, marketing strategy and all. Let me ask you a very real question. वो चाणक्य is realistic. पैसा कमाना है? Sure? नहीं तो क्या फायदा इतना सब conference कर रहे हो? And you are planning the next conference also. But before we start about money, I'll talk about Chanakya Niti for making money. But before that, let me ask you, what is the life of your company you want to have? 2 generation, 3 generation, 4 generation हो गया. What do you think the life of your company can be? कितना generation और टिकना चाहिए? कभी सोचा है? Don't tell concepts like infinity, चलते रहो, एक आंकड़े डालो. Without numbers, you can never build strategy. Number के बिना आगे नहीं बढ़. एक figure डालो. So 3-4 generations हो गया. I'm not worried about it. How many more generations do you think your brand, your company can survive? Don't give eternity. जब तक भगवान देखेगा. Put a number. That's how strategy begins. How many generations do you want your company to survive? 2000 years? Possible hai. 100% possible hai. But we never thought about it. Because our problem is that we all were born in a poor India. We all will die in a rich India. Viksit Bharat sab dekhne wale, don't worry. And the doctor of eternity will not allow us to die. सबको replace करेंगे. Heart replace, knee replace. Only one thing is remaining, brain replace. वो भी कर रहा है, Elon Musk. So let me tell you, you have a very important duty as second generation, third generation youth to make sure you have a vision for 2000 years, 500 years, 100 years, I don't know. देखो कोई सही या गलत नहीं है. But do you have a vision that your company will survive beyond you? And how to build it? That's where we'll have to look at Chanakya Niti as a model which is sustainable. आजकल होता है ना ESG, you have heard about it? It's a big thing in all big companies. ESG, environment, sustainability and governance. I don't want to take a lecture on that, but that's a very important thing. Chanakya spoke about ESG 2400 years ago. And we are a country that has not understood Chanakya. So in my next maybe half an hour, I'll try to give you a few tips about how to make your business beyond your generation. करना है? ठीक है. So let me start. Don't think that I teach Chanakya. I learn from all of you. How many Marwadis here? They are, Marwadi, Gujarati, Kachhi, Sindhis, all are my favorite communities. Dhanda hai na? Let me ask you a Marwadi formula. And if your parents have started the business or grandparents, what is the formula of succession planning in Marwadi community? आंकड़ों में बात करो. भगवान का काम करो, सोसाइटी को काम करो, CSR, all this is good. Tell me the business formula when a Marwadi group hands over the business to the next group. Next generation, I would say. What is the formula? And आपको पता नहीं है, and I am surprised. Many people don't know this. कितना? 3 साल. But you are close to the number. The formula is very interesting. The formula is 30. If my father gave a business to me, Before I hand over the business to my children, I should multiply it 30 times. Possible? Not 3 times, 30 times. So you have to work very hard even if you have got a business created by somebody else. और ये आपका बहुत बड़ा important, I would say, commitment है. If you don't multiply the business 30 times, you're not done your job. Before you hand over your business to the next generation, 30 times. And I'll give you a real example. Have you heard about Kumar Mangalam Birla? Aditya Birla Group? सबने सुना है. Tata Birla तो सब जानते हैं इंडिया में. You know, when Kumar Mangalam Birla became the chairman, his father had a sudden death. All of you may know it. That time, the company, the Aditya Birla Group, the primary business was aluminium. Correct? All of you may remember this. Later on, suddenly when Kumar Mangalam Birla, he was a youth. Youth कौन है ना? क्रेडाई का. He was actually made a chairman suddenly. I think 26 or 27 years. And that time he remembered what his grandfather had told him. जब धंधा करो तो 30 गुना बना के वापस दे देना. That time the turnover of Aditya Birla Group was $1 billion globally. They are already global. And he said, मेरा काम है कि before I retire or hand over, it should be how much? 30 times. Sorry, it was $2 billion. So his commitment was $60 billion करना है. And can you believe this? It's already done. If you Google it later on, अभी मत करना. Aditya Birla Group with all the expansion and all, they already crossed $60 billion. And the beautiful part is that there's a new concept in management. You know, they have got professionals, all those people are there. Even if, the family members are not ready to join the business, the company will continue to grow. आप अपने बच्चों को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते ना, और करना चाहिए because they have an advantage. But the systems have been made in such a way, it is called family owned, professionally run. Family owned, professionally run. So I would believe that all of you should make it 30 times, but the important thing is that it should grow beyond your family members. Family member आ गया तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. नहीं आया तो क्या हुआ? हमारा सिस्टम चलता रहेगा. Then you decide your vision. 2000 साल, 1000 साल जो भी. We have a formula. So I'll come to Chanakya Niti. I'll start with a small video about Chanakya's concept of Artha eva Pradhana. सब गोल गोल बात मत करो, सीधा पैसे करो बात करो. अर्थशास्त्र. Let's play the video. So this is from a serial called Upanishad Ganga.
मूल धर्म है.
धर्मस्य मूलम अर्थः.
धर्म का मूल अर्थ है.
अर्थस्य मूलम राज्यम.
अर्थ का मूल राज्य है.
अमरवत अर्थ जातम अर्जयेत.
स्वयं को अमर समझकर अर्थ का अर्जन करना चाहिए.
नहीं धान्य समूह अयम अर्थः.
अन्न से बढ़कर दूसरा धन नहीं.
न क्षुधा समः शत्रु.
भूख से बढ़कर दूसरा शत्रु नहीं.
प्रणाम आचार्य.
सम्राट, क्या मगध विजय के पहले तुम्हारी सेना नंदीग्राम के पास ठहरी थी?
हाँ आचार्य.
क्या तुम्हारी सेना ने ग्रामवासियों से अन्न लिया था?
हाँ आचार्य.
क्या उसका मूल्य चुकाया गया?
शायद नहीं.
हाँ या नहीं?
नहीं आचार्य.
क्या समझकर तुमने वो अन्न ग्रहण किया? दान या दक्षिणा?
मैं समझा नहीं आचार्य.
शारंगरम, सम्राट को दान और दक्षिणा का अर्थ समझाओ.
सम्राट, दान वह मूल्य है जो सामाजिक कर्तव्य के रूप में दिया जाता है, और दक्षिणा वह मूल्य है जो किसी सेवा के बदले में दी जाती है.
तुमने क्या लिया? दान या दक्षिणा?
क्षमा आचार्य. मैं उस अन्न का मूल्य चुका दूंगा.
ध्यान रहे चंद्रगुप्त, हर वस्तु का मूल्य है, हर सेवा का मूल्य है, और जिसका भी मूल्य है वो अर्थ है, और धर्म और काम अर्थ पर ही निर्भर है। इसलिए अर्थ व्यवहार धर्मपूर्वक हो। बिना मूल्य दिए दूसरे का द्रव्य लेना दूसरे के द्रव्य का अपहरण है, और दूसरे के द्रव्य का अपहरण अपने द्रव्य का नाश है। सम्राट, अन्न और प्रजा ही तुम्हारा धन है, और अन्न का प्रजा से संबंध है। बात समझ में आई?
हाँ आचार्य।
अब तुम जा सकते हो। ये
It's a very deep video. एक बार देखने से समझ में नहीं आएगा. You know, the problem is that our concept of wealth, money is very deep rooted in philosophy. दो संस्कृत शब्द आपने सुने, दान और दक्षिणा. Correct? All of us know about it, but we use it very loosely. दान, दक्षिणा, then comes मूल्य. Have you heard about value creation? हमारे पास क्या अलग है? In fact, you know, if you understand the philosophy of creating wealth, you can never fail. And you can make more money than what you think. Let me give an example. Okay? If all of you are interested in designers, I have a designer pen I got from one of a very interesting. Now I'll tell you, I took this home and I showed this. My son is very interested in all the gifts that I get. बहुत अच्छे gift मिलते हैं, watch, pen and all this. So it's a very unique pen. Now I don't know. So there's some design crafted pen, handmade कुछ है पता नहीं. Interestingly, I got it in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a very interesting place. Design में तो they're beyond this. So when I got this, I just showed to my son and he did some Google research. मतलब पापा आपको पता है इस पेन का वैल्यू कितना है? सर कितना है? 1 लाख रुपया. हाँ? Author है ना? So a lot of people keep giving me gifts. 1 lakh रुपया. But I told him, please don't tell that the value of this pen is 1 lakh. Maybe the cost price or selling price could be 1 lakh. बट वैल्यू क्या है? जो आदमी ने प्यार से दिया उसका वैल्यू क्या हो सकता है? आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कलेक्शन इन माय हाउस ऑफ रेयर बुक्स. आई हैव एक्चुअली वर्कड इन द क्रिकेट इंडस्ट्री. तो एक बंदा आके मेरा लाइब्रेरी देख रहा था. आई गॉट 10,000 रेयर बुक्स ऑन चाणक्य ऑल्सो. तो एक आदमी आके बोलता है मेरे को ये मैगजीन दोगे क्या? तो बोलता है उस जमाने में 10 रुपये में लिया था. इट वॉज अबाउट क्रिकेट. आई सेड ओके यू कैन सी इट. नो आई वांट टू बाई इट. इसका दाम लगाओ. दाम लगाओ 10 रुपया. इन्फ्लेशन आज कितना? 200 रुपया. इट्स अ 25-year-old मैगजीन. इट्स अ नो आई वॉन्ट दिस. आई जेरोक्स इट एंड टेक इट बट नॉट गिव यू. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ माई कलेक्शन. एंड यू नो व्हाट ही टोल्ड मी, तुम्हें पता भी नहीं है ये जो बुक है, जो मैगजीन है, क्रिकेट का मैगजीन था वो. बोलता है इट्स का वैल्यू इज मोर देन 10 लाख रुपीज. 10 लाख रुपीज? हाउ कम? बोलते यू डोंट हैव एन आइडिया. उसके अंदर जो आर्टिकल है, ही इज अ क्रिकेट एक्सपर्ट, ही इज अ क्रिकेट हिस्टोरियन. मतलब मैं तुम्हें 10 लाख देने को तैयार हूँ. ऐसी क्या बात है इस मैगजीन में जो मुझे पता नहीं है? आपको पता है इसमें डॉन ब्रैडमैन द गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट बिफोर सचिन तेंदुलकर, ही हैज गॉट अ स्ट्रैटेजी ऑफ बॉडी लाइन. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट बॉडी लाइन क्रिकेट में? हाउ इट वाज यूज्ड एज वर्ल्ड वॉर स्ट्रैटेजी. तो बोला अच्छा, मतलब मैं आपको 10 लाख रुपए देने को तैयार हूँ. तो 10 रुपए में लिया था. Why am I giving this example? Do you understand the game of valuation and value creation? You can make lots of money. So when you look at this pen, it may look like a 1 lakh pen. No. But imagine if I tell you, if you are a bhakta of, let's say, Gandhi ji or Modi ji or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel or Subhash Chandra, whomever you want. अगर मैं कहूँ आपको कि this was the pen used by Mahatma Gandhi or anybody else to sign a very important document, अब आप कितना दोगे इसका? एक कदम आगे, family values. Let's say if I tell you this pen was used by your grandfather when he started your company, जिसके आज मालिक हो आप. वैल्यू क्रिएट हो गया? और बोले कितना? So according to the economists, there are 3 things when you sell a product. I've got fantastic experts who have been already taking lessons on marketing and everything. First 3 things. one thing, if you have a great product also, you have to create a desire. Isn't it? मुझे चाहिए. The storytelling is all about desire creation. Second is affordability. हाँ मुझे चाहिए लेकिन पैसा नहीं है. Third is very interesting. The desire to give, even if you have money. It's a very psychological game, so I would suggest, some other time you should also get an expert on behavioral economics. Economics is not just about cost price and selling price. It's also about value creation. Today, Amazon understands that. That's why when you go and search Amazon, they say, people who bought this will also buy this. It's also positioning. It's a very different game, but I'll come back to Chanakya. Friends, understand from this video that we have not understood our wealth creation principle. First time when I started reading about Chanakya, बचपन में, it's very important, वो गाना सुनते थे ना, जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा वो भारत देश में, इतना सोना, इतना this country में है. And I've been trained in Chanakya by my father also. He is a writer. तो बोलते किसी पे विश्वास मत करना, especially फिल्मी गाने. But you know what? India was the richest country in the world. India was, ये नहीं है. But I said, okay, ठीक है, कोई proof दिखाओ, कोई formula दिखाओ. And you'll be surprised that when Gandhiji came to India from South Africa, and he wanted to fight for the freedom because he was successful in South Africa. Remember that, all that Andolan he did there? And his political guru Gopal Krishna Gokhale told him, देखो भैया, वो सब तुम्हारा ठीक है, South Africa में you did very well, that's all okay. But India is a different animal. You have to travel India. And there's a very famous statement by Gandhiji. He says, India lives in villages. 6 lakh villages. And let me tell you, every village in India actually is rich by itself. हर गांव में आज भी सोनार है, isn't it true? आप सोचो कि ये गांव में इतना richness किसने बनाया? चाणक्य. There's a model, some other time we'll check, real estate space or developing space is something we have not even understood. We have understood only the first part. Tier 1 city, Tier 2 city, Tier 3 city, right? अब Tier 4 में जाओगे. Can you imagine the kind of a wealth that we have in the country and what was the model? I can't have the time to take all the model. कभी वापस बुलाना. But I'll tell you 3 things. If you are into the second or third generation business, and you want to make your business sustainable over generation with profitability and growth, the first principle I'll tell you. 3 principles only I'll share with you. Time limitation. First principle for those people who are called as born with silver spoon. In the Western world, they are called as, very interesting concept hai ye, they are called trust babies. You know what is the meaning of trust babies? जो बड़े-बड़े कंपनियां होते हैं फाउंडेशन ट्रस्ट बना देते हैं. And they will give a part of the wealth to hereditary and वो बच्चों को जिंदगी भर काम नहीं करना पड़ता. They are called trust babies. But they still have to work. They still have to work. How do they work? The first principle of Chanakya, in Sanskrit I will use, simple Sanskrit hai, otherwise पूरा वो grammar में नहीं जाऊंगा. The first formula to grow your business and for eternity beyond generation is called Mitra Sambandha. मित्रों के साथ संबंध रखना. Now you see a lot of new friends and old friends. अहमदाबाद में से कितना 40 लोग आए. You learn your business not in conferences, but while coming to the conference also, isn't it true? And going back, how much time do you discuss with people? How much do you observe people? यहाँ पे giants बैठे हैं. They're all tycoons. Let me tell you, मित्रों के साथ जो दोस्ती करके समझ में आता है, it's an industry. There's a joke. I remember we were making an ad for promoting the schools in India, a very famous ad. So we're doing a research. बच्चे स्कूल क्यों जाते हैं? पढ़ाई करने के लिए? छोड़ो भैया. डिग्री के लिए? छोड़ो. So somebody asked a child, why do you go to school? Do you love to go to school? Of course, I love to go to school. I love to come back from school. But I don't like what happens in school. तो हम जाते हैं दोस्तों के लिए, isn't it true? And Chanakya says, Mitra is not just about mitrata. And in Marathi, because I come from Mumbai, there's a very famous saying, Kama Purta Mama. Have you heard about it? जब फायदा आता है तो दोस्ती, वरना तो ऐसा नहीं होता है. अमिताभ बच्चन इन कौन बनेगा करोड़पति says, it's a lifeline, phone a friend. याद है आपको? I was so happy that, Mohan Iran sir give me his number. We are friends for life. Whenever you have a problem in life, Chanakya says, business problem ho, personal problem ho, dial a friend. Okay? बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम आने ही वाले हैं. But let me tell you, if you fight a battle alone, you can never succeed. And the Chanakya says this very clearly in Arthashastra. Never fight a battle alone, take some friends along. सबका प्रॉब्लम एक ही है ना. So first principle of Chanakya Niti for growth is Mitra Sambandha. Second principle, very interesting. Vriddha Sanyogah. Vriddha means क्या बूढ़े नहीं. Okay, that is only Ayu Vriddha. जो 80 years है, 90 years है Vriddha. But Jnana Vriddha. You know, all these experts who come, Sambandha, Vriddha Sanyoga, उनके साथ संयोग में रहना. Let me tell you, all these masters sitting on the first table, don't look them as a president, because we have the president-elect also. But tell me one thing, if they are not the president, and if that term is completed, next president would come in, the first president, has he lost his experience? In fact, he grows with experience. पहले खुद का कंपनी खड़ा किया, फिर क्रेडाई में सेवा किया, और अभी प्रेसिडेंट होने के बाद ज़्यादा अवेलेबल है. So I'm going to come to you. Please understand, here you have people who have seen and understood the industry better than you. एक हो मित्रों से बात करना. But very important is to actually get guidance from people who actually are, you know, senior than you by age and experience. I'll give you a formula. You know, a lot of young boys and girls, I mentor a lot of startups. और मोदी जी ने तो मुझे काम पे लगा दिया है. स्टार्टअप इंडिया सुना है आपने? स्टार्टअप इंडिया, स्टैंड अप इंडिया. So when we are formulating that, something strange came in. One of my Chanakya formulas is that this one only. You should have a mentor in your business. तो सब यंग बच्चे हैं, कॉलेज से बाहर है, पैसा भी नहीं है, स्टार्टअप भी नहीं है. तो मतलब कि you can have an idea, but to make the idea successful commercially and in business mode, you should have a mentor. मतलब मिलते नहीं है, बिकॉज हम जैसे कंसल्टेंट बहुत चार्ज करते हैं. तो एक फॉर्मूला आपको बताता हूँ. बोलते हु इज अ मेंटर? अ मेंटर इज द वन हू हैज अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एंड ही इज अवेलेबल फॉर यू टू कस्टमाइज द सोल्यूशन फॉर यू. अनुभव बहुत है, लेकिन मुझको क्या, एक डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, 1-to-1 होता है ना, एवरी प्रॉब्लम इज यूनिक, बट द डॉक्टर नोज एवरी प्रॉब्लम इज द सेम. So what is the formula I give to them? You know, in your field, whichever field it is, make a list of retired government employees. फिर से बोलूं, कोई भी फील्ड हो, कोई शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री हो, रियल एस्टेट हो, इट कैन बी इवन आईटी इंडस्ट्री. आजकल वो एक जनरेशन भी रिटायर हो रहा है. नाउ द फॉर्मूला इज वृद्ध संयोग. You know what? You'll be surprised. After retirement, nobody values them, and they don't value themselves. That's also a problem. So चाहिए ना, सर आप मेरे एडवाइजरी बोर्ड पे आ जाओ. They will give the best advice and the best contacts even without charging money. But once you make money, you have to give them Guru Dakshina. How many people I have seen, they just came on board and they made, you know, millions of dollars. I'll give one example. पुणेकर कोई है यहाँ पे? It's a very interesting innovation model, city I would say. So there's this, you know, couple in Pune. They started a new idea. I said, who is your mentor? बोलते सर आप ही हमारे mentor. बोलते नहीं नहीं, हम चाणक्य का एंगल देंगे, but their field is energy distribution. So they started a company around second generation, husband wife. I said no, वो ठीक है चाणक्य inputs, but do you have an industry expert with you? So the industry expert, लेकिन you know, we don't know, so energy. Then I say okay, energy distribution in which field? He said transportation. Okay. Then I said look at the person who is number 1 in that field in India. You know what they came down to? Ratan Tata. Tata Motors, na? And he was very passionate about nano. And I said, why don't you go and meet him and ask him, can you advise me? बोले रतन टाटा मिलेंगे क्या? बोले मिलेंगे नहीं, आपको जिद्द करना है. They went to his office, no appointment. And he had just retired because Cyrus वाला केस खत्म हो गया था. And then suddenly, you know, we have a new chairman, Chandrasekhar. He still is active, by the way. Of course, he's aging. So they went to his office, they did not get an appointment. You know what this couple did, husband wife? They waited outside his home. 3 दिन के बाद वो बोला ये क्या है, इधर बाहर खड़े रहते हैं, चलो कुक से बात किया, दोस्ती किया. Finally they got an appointment and Ratan Tata gave them the first investment of 10 crore rupees after listening to the idea. The journey only starts. वो पूरा देखा, बच्चों में एक्साइटमेंट था और बोला कि बच्चे बहुत अच्छा है तुम्हारा आइडिया, एनर्जी ट्रांसपोर्ट सब ठीक है, मैं इस फील्ड का मास्टर रहा हूँ, मेरा प्रोडक्ट भी फेल हुआ है, isn't it nano? I'll tell you how not to fail. So if you go behind successful people, you should also know they'll teach you how not to fail. But you know the problem with you kids, उनके तो बच्चे हैं ना, they're below 30 couple. तो आपका problem क्या है? बोले आपने सब देखा, market research and all those things, but you don't have capital. Do one thing, go out of this house with a 10 crore ka check. You know what this couple did? Very interesting. Then they showed that check and started a company and showed to investor. They got 300 crores. रतन टाटा इन्वेस्ट किए. रतन टाटा को एक ही बार मिले. But that one meeting can change your destiny. So मेरा एक ही पूछना, यहाँ से आप जाओगे कल परसों जो भी है, did you find a mentor here? Or if not, go back. आपके इंडस्ट्री में mentors है, उनको पूछता नहीं. What is the Reliance model? They look at all the people who are retired and available. In fact, I love Mukesh Ambani for one thing. He takes advice from M.M. Sharma. Have you heard about this person? Not many people know also that we talk about Reliance, Jio Center, everything. There's a discussion happening next Jio mein hona chahiye. You'd be surprised when Dhirubhai Ambani built this empire or was building the empire, he understood the future is two things, education and right guidance, isn't it? And by the way, Mukesh studied at UDCT, which is called ICT now, Institute of Chemical Technology. And that time Dhirubhai Ambani did a research and found the best professor of that particular field was M.M. Sharma. He is a Padma Vibhushan. What a man. Professor hai. Dhirubhai Ambani went, पैसा है लेकिन वृद्ध संयोग. सर मेरा बेटा आपके इसमें कॉलेज में एडमिशन ले रहा है, प्लीज गाइड हिम. Even today, Mukesh Ambani gives a blank check to M.M. Sharma. Look at from where a father's business taken to which level. Please understand, you require mentors. Which mentor you decide? It's very important, especially 3 mentors होने चाहिए. Spiritual mentor, जिसको इंडिया में तो हम लोग राजगुरु बोलते हैं. You should have a spiritual mentor, spiritual guru. Second is somebody is called a, subject matter expert. Subject matter expert, your field, real estate or whatever. In fact, Dr. Harshul has written so many books also. Third is very important. You should have a family mentor. Spiritual mentor, business mentor, which technically sound, knows the industry. And the third is family mentor. Because 90% of the business in the world is family run. Therefore, the third and the last Chanakya Niti, which I'll speak about, is called as parenting tip of Chanakya. Kafi famous hai. So even though you're second generation, many of you will be parents also, right? Please raise your hands. And I'll tell you a formula which probably you may or may not know. All of you are successful because you have a family staying together, isn't it? कितने लोगों के grandfather, grandmother अभी भी है? You're all lucky. India में अभी भी वृद्धाश्रम का concept आया नहीं है. True or no? I found this in Gujarati communities, I found in Marwadi communities, that the business is not just about running an office. It's also started from the families, isn't it true? तो आपको पता है कि you have to be a role model parent and be a role model child, whatever be the age group. So सबसे पहला सीख आपको अपने घर पे मिलेगा. If you're not coordinating and speaking to the elders at home, and it's a big social problem. Today elders means furniture piece. कहाँ पे पढ़ा है? नमस्कार पापा जी, दादाजी और चलो. अरे? I did an experiment, I'll share that with you. Lot of children, your children who are in schools and colleges, for them it's dadaji, dadi ma, nanaji, nani ma, that's okay. And they know it, it's good, they're in your house. But we have no idea how much experience they can give us in the same business. So you need to spend every day, you decide how much time. Aadha ghanta, 1 ghanta. My father just left me, around a week ago in Gujarat. But I'll tell you, I have no regrets because till 89, every single day, I used to sit with him and listen to him for 1 hour. That was my checklist. Itna kuch dekhe gaya, if I have written so many because he was an author. So I'll tell you what happened. Unfortunately, we have a family system, but we don't have a knowledge sharing in the family happening. Retire हो गए. अरे क्या retire हो गए? देखो knowledge retire नहीं होता, employee retire होता है. So I'll tell you, this is a joke about a mother. India में ना, parents also are a different problem, and children also have a different problem. So I did an experiment. I was teaching in Bombay college, very famous college called Somaiya College. Some of you must have heard. So I'm on the board. So I was taking a class on entrepreneurship. So I was telling the children, how many of you have grandparents at home? Like many of you have, right? Okay, they are young boys and girls. ठीक है. Now do an assignment. Every day, sit with them for 15-20 minutes, whatever. आप decide करो. And after 1 month, what you learned, you please tell me. That's your project. Can you believe each of them start coming and crying? And if you don't have a grandfather in your house, at least call on the mobile. गांव में रहेंगे. You will be surprised. They said हमको पता भी नहीं था कि इनके पास इतना अनुभव है. हम तो symbolically उनको फिर 80th birthday celebrate करते हैं. Then waiting for a comfortable death. ऐसा नहीं है. You'll be surprised. The parenting requirement in a family business is so important. They don't retire. Unfortunately, we don't want to learn from them. So एक छोटा बोलता हूँ कि आप घर पे जाइए 1 घंटा, please बैठिए, and you'll never know, they'll give you insight. So I just want to share what happened with a Jaina friend of mine. He's not from real estate. He's been running a diamond factory, Mumbai में Seeps में. I'll tell you, a lot of Jain friends here I know. They have an interesting formula. I study Indian community businesses and family businesses a lot. So he told me, हमारे family में, हमारे community में, there is a formula. When you start a company, a new line, you give the shares of the company to the lady of the house. आपकी माता जी है तो उनको दो, या फिर wife को या बेटी को. Isn't it true? So this was okay. And then what happened? COVID. Diamond कौन खाता है COVID में? It's a luxury item, right? So he's got 300 employees. So he's got a factory in Seeps. So he tells me, now तो होता नहीं है. फिर financial accountant के साथ बैठे 1 महीना, 2 महीना, 3 महीना सैलरी दे सकते हैं. But product बिकता नहीं है. क्या करे? Cash flow problem. And then finally all that board meeting हो गया. And then say, okay, now it's time that you announce and you have to shut down the company. ठीक है? Now the company secretary told something interesting. Please understand this. The company secretary told that you have to inform formally every shareholders, isn't it? Before you shut down the company. Then you realize कि अरे मेरी सबसे पहली shareholder तो मेरी माँ है, 82 years old. She is never active in business, but she is a shareholder. So officially, legally, you have to tell her. He goes in the evening. Mummy, ba, beso. हाँ beso. શું છે? Problem છે. શું problem છે? पैसा नहीं है, क्या करे? COVID आ गया. I have to shut down the company. You know what the mother said? Imagine, she is not operating in the company, she doesn't understand anything. She's sitting at home. She started laughing. बेटा, तुझे धंधा करने आया ही नहीं. हैं? धंधा करता हूँ सर, देखो बैलेंस शीट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. बोलते you have not understood the basic principle of धंधा. What did you say? लॉस हो रहा है. तुम्हें पता है धंधा का फॉर्मूला नंबर 1 क्या है? It's called circular economy. Isn't it true? Have you heard about circular economy? मेरे जेब से गया तो किसी का जेब भरा ना. So you're looking at the SBI model, अभी ads भी देख रहे थे. Somebody is paying. So if you are making loss, please understand the formula of business. Somebody is making profits. तो ऐसा सोचो, ये समय जो है ना आपके लिए बुरा है बट किसी के लिए फायदेमंद है. Look at industries like pharma, IT, Zoom. Isn't it true? तो उसने बोला पर मम्मी वो सब ठीक है, प्रिंसिपल्स, फिलोसफी, लेकिन पैसा नहीं. You know what she told? The typical Indian lady. मेरे पास जितना गोल्ड है लेके जा. सब बाहर आते हैं ना. Because I'm a shareholder, I don't want a company to die when I'm alive. याद रखिएगा friends, if you shut down your company or whatever problem, especially when your parents are around, it's the biggest thing mistake you can do. Isn't it true? शुरू उन्होंने किया और आप खत्म कर रहे हो. तो बोला नहीं, मैं नहीं एक्सेप्ट करूंगी, जो भी है विल मैनेज इट. एंड शी टोल्ड, इमेजिन ए लेडी ऑफ 81 years, नो अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट द इंडस्ट्री, डायमंड कैसे चलता है, व्हाटएवर. शी नोस बट शी इज गिविंग दिस प्रिंसिपल. प्लीज ट्राई फॉर 3 months. 3 महीना हो गया और 3 महीना शुरू कर दो ना, ट्राई कर लो. देन विल सी. बोर्ड मेंबर हूं ना. आई नॉट साइन टू शट डाउन द कंपनी. आफ्टर 3 months समथिंग स्ट्रेंज हैपन. वो कंटिन्यू किया, मेहनत किया, ही स्पोक टू द एम्प्लॉइज, ऑल दोस थिंग्स हैपेंड जो सबने किया होगा. आफ्टर 3 months द ग्राफ स्टार्टेड गोइंग अप. And today, he's expanding the business across the world. Vriddha Sanyogaha. मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ friends? We need to understand Chanakya's principles are very, very solid that can make a company last for so many generations. So I'd like to stop here with the parenting principle, very famous one. If you have a child, because I'm sure all of you will become great parents also, India's knowledge is always transferred from parents to grandchildren. They are from parents to children. आयत्री ऑपरेशन में बताया गया. You are complete when you become a grandparent or a grandmother. Knowledge फादर से बेटे को नहीं जाता, वो तो जनरेशन गैप है ना. वो ग्रैंडफादर से ग्रैंडसन को जाता है. या ग्रैंड मदर से ग्रैंड डॉटर को जाता है. So the formula is very interesting of parenting, not grandparenting. Till 5 years, love your child unconditionally. Panchavarshani lalayata. Next 10 years, discipline him or her. And after that, 15 years के बाद, consider the child your friend. I'm sure all of us are 50 years and above. घर पे जाते हैं तो बाप रे, वही कहानी. तो अगर आपका 5 साल से कम के बच्चे हैं, आपका आईफोन 15 भी तोड़ दे, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, right? पंचवर्ष. But after that, when they start developing the intellect, correct them, give them values, give them principles, and say, okay, हम आपके साथ हैं. 15 साल के बाद उन्हें बच्चे मत समझना. वरना इंडिया में तो, I remember I was doing a business conference and I told all those people, this is a conference general talk, हम लोग workshop कर रहे थे. I told everybody, please write down your biggest business problem. We'll look at a Chanakya solution. And in the tea break, one person I saw, very interesting, my biggest business problem is my father. तो मैं बोला, अरे यार पापा ने धंधा चालू किया, प्रॉब्लम क्यों बोल रहा है? तो आपको पता है मेरी उम्र क्या है? तो व्हाट? आई एम 57 years old. My father is 82. He still comes and signs checks. मेरा बेटा आ गया है. I have to plan my retirement. He doesn't retire. Tell me one thing. You are fortunate if your parents still around. But have you planned your retirement? नहीं, चलता रहना चाहिए. I will die with my boots on. That's one choice. But when you're more free and your system is automated, your children are taken over, don't you think you should give more time to Kradai? For business and networking opportunities, we require more mentors now. So I'll tell you something. In India, what is the problem is that we get the parents, but we don't know to live parenting. Parenting is a role that never ends. So 10 साल उनको सही गलत दिखाओ, लेकिन 15 साल के बाद listen to them. They may give you the next idea. All this PowerPoint presentation, AI, you can never learn. There's a limit to it. So I'll tell you, as you go out from here, please also think when to retire your business, but not to shut down your business. So with that, I like to say, maybe you can look at an option of going to Japan and study this company of real estate, which has survived for 70 generations. You know what is the unfortunate part? A very unfortunate part, because I, try to understand them. They are going the American way. इतना साल, इतने generation the company टिकी हुई है now. And I love Americans because of the marketing, right? And my philosophy teacher used to always tell this. The British left us, अंग्रेज चले गए, and we accepted the Americans, we never became Indians. I'm not telling you that don't neglect America. It's a great country. I teach there in many universities. But as you are learning from the globe, are you understanding what's there in your house? So I would suggest that I just want to inspire you by again repeating the 3 things. This is Chanakya Niti. Number 1, Mitra Sambandha. Learn from each other. Never fight a battle alone. Take some friends along. Number 2, Vriddha Sanyoga. Have some mentors on your board. And by the way, officially also you require independent directors now, isn't it? Compliance. There are so many great experts. And finally, parenting is a role that everybody has to play by learning from your grandparents if they're still around. With that, thank you so much. One last thing. Not long. So, unfortunately, my book is launched. I've written 22 books. And I thought, the best way is to actually gift one to our president. So, requesting sir to kindly come on. This is my latest book called Chanakya's 100 Best Sutras. Before I hand over, let me also tell you, सब लोग free दे रहे थे ना? Let me give you a freebie. किसको पूरा चाणक्य के 6000 सूत्र सीखने? Free में. I run a class every Saturday from 7:30 to 9 in the morning. It's online. I just did a class today, Saturday, na? And I can teach you all the Chanakya principles without a personal agenda. Giving, dan, dakshina, guru dakshina baad mein dena. So I will pass on the details to Harshal sir. Please attend. Please study Chanakya. It's going to take your company to a different level. And we are already a part of the global India that's happening. Thank you so much.
Can I give you a hug? Please. What a super. Loved it. Sorry, I pulled that out.
No,
Thank you. Learned a lot. I'll keep in touch.
Autograph.
I want